Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started today, just a quick reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our videos. So today we're going to do number 186. Let's start with this top row here. We're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got a 5 here. So 8, 5. And to finish off this box, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8, but no other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. And for this box then, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 8, 2 here, so 6, 8, 6, 8. That means our 2 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. Got a 7 here, so 8, 9, and 8 here, so 7, 9. And a 9 there, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. The 3 can't be here or here, so it's here. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 1, 6, and no help here, so 1, 6, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 1, 4, 7. 4 and 7 here, so 1, 9. So if we look, it looks like the only place our 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 6. So we can get rid of this 6. This column is missing 6 and 8, and there's no help. And this column is missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 5, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 7. That makes us our 8, 6, 5. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. 9 makes this our 1. That makes this our 9, 1, 9, 1. And so this row then we're just missing an 8, which makes this our 9 and our 7. And there we go. That's it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.